Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka singi kilong. Nadin prak tenra ke auto ya ke pick up kit si hanong po mensaujur unongnya. Dawa ki muktiar High Court bat Shillong Bar Association ban weng ya u Amit Kumar kum UAG. Wat ke Meghalaya yo don ki baja ha ka umsaw ha Nepal. Ban khot hajir ki pulit ya ki nongkit kam ka KSU endala poi ha thanat pat amsha bandrung. Bat mentang ni pai shaki Khubor ki bakham banya. Kawai ke aksiden ke balaja kami arpun riu tarik Nailar hasurok pa National Highway 6 ha umlengkedan mar persya ke Jylla restaurant kalapan mensau jur ya unongnya jong kawai ke auto ke bala tenra nadin ya kawai ke pick up ke pakit seat. Katkum ke jingtip balayo kani kalaja ke por kumba prashiteng baji menmit haba ke auto ke badan ya registration number ML10B6302 ke badan kiu shenong po kalaten ra nadin ya ke pick up ke badan ya number AS25B0021 ke badan kit ya kisit ya ke auto lanya ada udon bornong room na umskun kat ba ya ke pick up lanya ada estar mau penyang na nongkra layat hu ba ketega pick up kalawan kit sit na rengsai banai penhap yaki syagwa hati. Haba poi ha lengkedat unongnya ka pick up ula sange penpa ya ka kali syakawi pat kaliang juga surok ban beteng ya ka jingya syagwa hati. Henry namar ka jingbun jong ki kali ki bayat ha ka teka por ula apshwa shipor. Ha ka teka por ka auto ka badang wan nasyadin kala tenra kensan ya ka pick up ka bala penlong ya unongnya jong ka auto ban mensaujur. Hadin gani ke jingja ya unongnya jong ka auto ubalaman saujur lakit no mardor sya civil hospital nong po ban yo ya ke jing sumar ka bakerki. Maria yo jingtip halor kete ke jingja ki pulit ke nong po police station ki lapoi marmar sya kete ke jaka ban penlong ya ke jing tokit. Hadin kata ya baro arteli ki kali lara no sya thanat ban penlong ya ke jing tokit ke babnia halor kani ke jingja accident.
Nhất lắm rồi. Hati kebun loh, Samla. Malay. Sa sino? Mana? Nongkra.
Ki muktiar jong ka Jylla hapo ka Shatri jong ka High Court of Meghalaya Bar Association bat Shillong Bar Association ha ka arpunyo tarik Nailar ar hajar arpun rio kila dawa na ka sorkar ban weng ya u Advocate General jong ka Meghalaya Amit Kumar. Hakani kasngi deki spangut ki muktiar kilami banya shimbenta haka jinyat padba kapasedang najan ying bishar ter shaparek dhan kiti malki point lashumer IGP bala penkut biang hajan ke ying bishar rengkat ki plakat bala tho ban wengno ya u advocate general u Amit Kumar sange ban duti yangi sange ban penjak buram bat dawaru baun inokam. Habaikran Shakilat Pathai Khubor u Secretary General ke Shillong Bar Association ba TL Jerwa. Ulaong kum kekenuhun jong ki muktiar kila dawa na menteri rang ba ke Jylla ban sange si sendan ban duti ya ke Jylla da ba penne ya u Amit Kumar kum u Advocate General bat ulaong ru amdei ban yada ya u Amit Kumar. Ki muktiar kila keno ru baka sorkar Jylla ka penlut kai ya ka pisa pat ba da ka bathong Advocate General AG jong ka Jylla da ki beriu na Delhi. Hadin ke jinyat pat ba ki muktiar kila thangru ya ka tengshop jong Amit Kumar Hakmat Office ka Shillong Bar Association. Da ki beriu na Delhi.
Amit Kumar! Amit Kumar! Go back! Go back! Amit Kumar! Go back! Go back! Roaring practice! Go back! Go back! Roaring practice! Go back! Go back! Amit Kumar! Go back! Go back! Amit Kumar! Go back! Go back! Roaring practice! Go back! Go back! Lucky Amit! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back!
Kasorkar Meghalaya Lengba Ko Office u Executive Director State Disaster Management Authority Meghalaya Shillong kelapentip bahadin kejing shlei bat kejing tua khendo ke bajur kepada jah Nepal hak arpun riu tarik Nailar kalapha wa jing tip yo dan kibriu na Meghalaya kibala banja ni kibamla ban lapshu na kani ke jingja. Kani kejing shlei saw Harasua District Hajan Uput Nepal Tibet kalapen julor jur ya kishnong kisurok ki jingking bat ki wei ki jingte hakababun ki breu kila syarong bat pun spangut kila ja bat 4 lap dientra yaki. Ki pramut ki dekhot jangka Central Executive Council haka arpuhnyo tarik Nailar kila syakhot hajar syapo sadar police station haka bayadei berkejingyat rally jangka khasi student union haka khat khandai tarik Nailar ar hajar arpuhn riu. Ki prangut ki dekhot jangka KSU kila wan syapo sadar police station ban wan hajar hakmat ki pulit hendrai kila lej paino oklem rong syapo namat ki pulit ap kherdap kim sya ban rong syapo kathanan. Habayakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor u Assistant General Secretary ke KSU Samla Pensyai Rani ulong ba nakaliang jong ki dekhot kilalet Shasadar Police Station bapa wan hajar ki pulit haka bayadei bakajingat rally ke balalong haka khat khandai tarik Nailar hendrai ki dekhot kilawan paino namar ba ki pulit ki ba ap ika kerdop kim sya bandrong ki syapo.
Thì bidi bat mentasngi nakliang jungi ki nongelam jongka Central Executive Council barokhan idon hadu prangun ki bala syakhan syak samon ki haki pulut lepo sadar TS te ni borom ni gajing khot juki barok prangut ni poilang ti po sadar TS menta kumba piru pi sakhi nei bang ya poing tei nila peni kan dengan notis jungi ro nakliang ki pulut kim syak banrong ya kei ngama kwa banong hangi kalong ba nakliang jungi iklam kantat gajing khot jingki nilet hanrei kei pada ka baja kalong ba kim sem sya ingi bandrung ta kadau ngi donpor ban yang saang tu ban ap saang tu si slam hanrei ngi hab ban mi no ban wan ban nilet ban pendep lagi jong ki kam ye kei ma kwa banong kalong ba ya kasni jungi ka fibu ngila pendep sobha nai pha syu ki notice ingi ki jing khot ingi barok prangut ki nongelam jongka si dia kei ka kamram wa fidi bende kum ka tan pulit hile hila ka jong kamram
Nagai kita ka halor ke kita ki khot ajar ki.
am ka jing khot hajir ta kadai halor kei ka baja ka tu ka khat khanai terik haka ba kaladon kum tu ka jingja te kum pitip hiru haba ki nongilam jingi ki ba khmat do laingot pas weiru kila sa kem te yimdan i banong halor kata tang kata hi
Ki kita bukan syarung ki.
ai kata ngimla bentip nomor ba haba ngila pen i ka somen notice ka jongi ru hakmat itu nongab ya ka kerdap apa sadar PS nrei nakaliang kulit badan turu usngap jarjar upet te uspet yang tukot usngap jarjar te ngihap ben mina kam ai kanunu kentian ingi ru laki sa benrung na kimsa nang tahi
Barap poi jang kum kuli kot notice kerja ajar ki. Kalau ini ya kena.
ya mentang ngamla benong insong gejing pen belang berok prangut kini ki para dekhot ki para nongilam ki ba nesi ngila ben perkhat aku miru
U MLA kaliang persya na dadengre rupa marak ulabu jingkeli haying dorbar ban tip ya kadau tunrai halor ka jingklat no jong khana abadang khat ars nam karta dangshen harilum garu u menteri ketenat kakwat kakhya ba wailat miki Shilla haga jubab ulaong katenat kakwat kakhya maryo jing tip halor kani ka jingja kalapha toket mardor bat yo ru ikakai phot halor kate ka jingja ulay thu bah kapor badang yat ka jing toket lapha sange shwa ya ka jingdi ya kite ki jat umso katba 4 yo ya ka kai phot.
Reply to star number 109. A, sir. Yes, sir. B, sir. Interim order for suspension was issued white letter number CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/2027 dated 14 August 2026 by the Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya under the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, imposing a statewide freeze on and prohibition of the sale and distribution of Sting energy drink. 2, sir, an immediate inquiry was ordered to be conducted by the FSO West Garo Hills, Tura, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his reply. But before I submit my supplementary questions, I would like to clarify. I would like to make a clarification to the Honorable Minister in charge about my question. Number B. I was asking for the reason for the loss of life of that student, but in the reply, the Minister replied about the action taken. So, may I know from the Minister in charge how the loss of life occurred to this student?
Sir, according to, since the honourable member have clarified that he seek for the reason of the demise of the person, sir, according to the report from the civil hospital, sir, according to the doctor report, sir, the reason for the death of the person is the irreversible shock due to acute gastroenteritis, AGE, leading to acute kidney injury, sir.
Kum shibanta ban rakhe ya National Sports Day ka NSS Unit Jangari Boy College nongpo haka arpu nyau tarik Nailar kala penlong ya ka Khelo India Dialogue ka program ka ba ailat ki Samla pule ban shimbanta haka jingya keran bat menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi halor ki lat ki lenti ban kentiu ya ka kam ya lekai hakari. Hakani ka program lawan ban sakhi bat Aiman Sim da uba Matthew Kenneth Makdo MDC ka KHADC rengkat ka kong Mercia Darling, boxing coach Jangkari Boy District, Samla Johnny Nongrum, Uwe Nakirang Yakura, Ubalapau, Jylla, Kakong E. Karkongor, Principal Jangkari Boy College, Kakong YV Simle, Program Officer, NSS Riboy College, Bat Samla Pule, Kanika College. Lengba kanika program ki Samla kila yo ya kalar ban shimbanta bat ban sngap ya ka jingkran bat ban yakran bat menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi halor ki mat ki bayadei bat ka kam ya lekai kumjuru ban ai jingmut bat jingperkhat halor ki lat ban kentiu shushu ya ka sports hakari. Hadirin ka jingkran ki Samla puli Jangkari Boy College kila yo ru ya kalat ban ya phliu jingmut bat kinong ya lekai sports ka Jylla ki bakenthop ya Samla Johnny Nongrum bat ka kong Mercia Darling ki bala ai ru ya ki jingmut bat jingpenslur ya ki Samla bakin shim ya ka kam ya lekai kum ka wei na ki lat ban te ya ka lawei bat bat penpau ya ki sap jongki. Ya ka National Sports Day la rakhe hamman usnam haka arpu khandai tarik Nailar kum kadak pan kenmau burom ya Major Dhyan Chand nong lekai hockey bapaunam kari India.
And be invited to be the chief guest of this program today to mark the National Sports Day, which is celebrated all over country. And for the information of everyone present here, the National Sports Day is being celebrated across the country to mark the birthday of the legendary hockey legendary, and he is also the sports person. At the same time, he is in the army, I guess. This is Mr. Major Dhyan Chand. As you all aware that Major Dhyan Chand is the hockey wizard. That's why the Government of India has decided to mark his birthday as the National Sports Day. During this current year of 2026, the Government of India organized this program that is the Khelo India Samla. That is a dialogue which we will shortly hear the speech by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. So I hope that everyone are eager to hear his speech, and I hope that you will listen carefully what he would like to say about this event and this program and this auspicious day. My dear students present here, I would like to highlight some of the important points about this day. That is, the government of India want that today, that is the day where we mark the National Sports Day, would like to invite to all the students and especially the sports person that the government of India would like to strengthen the sports ecosystem by improving the sports facilities, the coaching, the opportunities at the grassroots level. And secondly, it's the purpose of this celebration is to nurture.
Katanat yalekai jong sorkar Jylla haka arpuh nyau tarik Nailar kala penlong ya ke program bakerpang ban ai Khublei kitbok ya ki arteli ki kenhon ban yalekai bha haka lempung 65th edition of Subroto Cup International Football ban long ha Bengaluru kaban stang nadu ka shitarik hadu khandai tarik Nailor bat hanong ba Delhi nadu ka khatsan hadu arpusau tarik Nailor arhajar arpuh hnriu. Kini ki arteli ki kenhon kide ka kenhon under 15 boys jong ka North Liberty High Secondary School na West Giant Hills bat ka kenhon under 17 boys jong ka OM Roy Memorial High Secondary School na East Khasi Hills. Kirapan kre banit shimbanta haka 65th Subroto Cup International Football Tournament arhajar arpohndriu. Haka jinge kun final jong ka under 15 haka state level Subroto Cup kabalalong hanong ba Shillong. Ka North Liberty kala job da Arco Lagaway ya ka Umpolio Jingtip High Secondary School kat ba haka final under 17 ka OM Roy kala job da Laiko la North ya ka Wapung High Secondary School na East Giant Hills. Hakani ka sngi laya don lang Menteri Ketenat Yalekai jong ka sorkar Jylla ba wailat Miki Shilla kum ukongsan harangkat ka jing don lang Director Ketenat Yalekai ba A Nongbri kumju Deputy Director ba Payawar Nongbri Assistant Director ba Krobok Pasa ki District Sports Officer ki Coach ki Khna bat ki wei. Nakaliang uba wailat Miki ula ai Khublei kitbok ya kini ki arteli ki kenhon bakin yalekai bha hakate ka International Subroto Cup kabanlong ha Bengaluru bat ha New Delhi.
Meghalaya at the 65th Subroto Cup International Football Tournament 2026. Respected Director of the Sports and Youth Affairs, who has newly joined, and I hope that we have a lot of things to do, and especially to create an opportunity to our young talent in our state. Papaya Sri B.B. Nongri, our Deputy Director, who has been always in the front for different successful conduct of different, who are working tirelessly to make sure that opportunity is given to our young talent in our state. To all my dear officers, DSO of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department who are here, and I must take this opportunity to thank these two schools who have really set the examples for other schools in our state. No doubt as a government, it is our endeavor to see that all the schools in our state should come and participate in whether it is Subroto Cup, whether it is inter-school or inter-college or other competition. But it is so unfortunate and so sad that
very few turn up, very few schools turn up. They have a lot of excuse to give that it might affect academics and so on and so forth. But I must say that really North Liberty Higher Secondary School and O.M. Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School have really shown that if you have a passion, like the word goes, if there is a will, there is a way. And I must thank you. And at the same time, I think, let's give yourself a big round of applause. You are the state champion today. You are the state champion and you are going today to represent us at the national and international level. I must, at the same time, I must thank Richard, the principal of the North Liberty Higher Secondary School, who has been like an elder brother to me. He always, if I do anything wrong, he's the first one to correct me. I always get a message. So thank you, Ma. I'm always, like I said, I think really you have been an example to other schools, not only in
Bada kitu ki Khubor nglapoi shikabakut tarhadu bangin daya shembiang khublai shibun.